Welcome to our channel. Here you are know about deer life in detail. Plus a must like and subscribe our channel. Deer are animals that have traditionally occupied an integral role in various cultures and mythologies around the world. The famous cave paintings of Lascaux, which date back around 17,000 years, depict a rich, imaginative canvas of horses, deer, and other animals. A symbol of strength and nobility, they once adorned many of the flags, banners, and coats of arms of medieval Europe. Males are known as bucks or stags, while females are called a doe. In larger species, the correct terms are bull and cow. Deer shed and then grow back their antlers every year after the end of the mating season. White-tailed deer. The white-tailed deer is the most common deer species in North America and can be identified by the white underside of its tail. Males tend to be larger than females, weighing up to 400 pounds when fully mature, and regrow their antlers every spring. Red deer. The red deer can be found throughout Europe, parts of Asia, and northern Africa, and populations have been introduced in New Zealand and Australia. Adult red deer stand at about 4 feet high and have a reddish-brown coat. Mule deer. Mule deer are indigenous to western North America and are named after their mule-like ears. Some mule deer species have been known to migrate hundreds of miles during winter months. Elk. Elk live in North America, Central America, and parts of Asia and can weigh up to 700 pounds. Mature male elk can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Caribou, also known as reindeer. Caribou generally inhabit Arctic and subarctic climates. Both male and female caribou grow antlers, and a male's antlers can reach up to 50 inches long. Moose. Moose are the largest member of the deer family and can weigh up to 1,800 pounds. Unlike most other deer species, moose tend to be solitary animals and can become aggressive when threatened. Most deer species share in common a basic set of characteristics: 2 hooves on each foot, a 4-chambered stomach, long and spindly legs, short tails, and a coat color that usually varies between brown, red, or gray. They also share a proclivity for the twilight hours. But the most prominent and conspicuous characteristic is the set of antlers on the head. This large ornamentation reveals a clear delineation between the males and the females. All males possess antlers, while females lack them. Only in caribou or reindeer do the females grow antlers as well. The water deer is the lone aberration where neither gender grows antlers. Instead, both male and female members grow tusk-like canines instead of the elegant network of antlers. This appears to reflect an earlier pre-antler state of their evolution. The size, curvature, and structure of the antlers are a source of immense variation between species. Some of them have a large central palmate, like moose antlers, while others have long single beams with varying numbers of branches. Some deer have nothing more than simple spikes for antlers. The reindeer have the largest antlers in relation to body size, but the moose can rival them in absolute terms. Deer are social animals. They usually congregate into small groups for feeding, mating, and protection. In the most densely packed areas, truly massive herds can form, depending on the abundance of food and the makeup of the population. Some species are migratory in nature and will travel hundreds of miles with the herd. To delineate social arrangements, they rely on their acute sense of smell and vocal communications. Many deer have a facial gland near the front of the eyes. The gland can release a strong pheromone for marking its territory when the animal rubs its body against trees or shrubs. Other glands reside on the legs and feet. The smallest species of deer is the humble pudu. It can range anywhere between 1 and 3 feet in length. The largest species of cervidae is the moose. It can reach 10 feet long and weigh up to 1,800 pounds. In between these two extremes lies the common white-tailed deer, whose height and weight is about the same as a human. Males tend to be larger than females in almost every species. Due to commercial exploitation, populations of many deer species fell in the early and mid-20th century. But thanks to conservation efforts, populations have rebounded. Some estimates put the population size of the common white-tailed deer at around 30 million. Overpopulation has actually become a significant problem, since humans have hunted many of the predators that keep the deer population in check. Therefore, regulated hunting is encouraged in many states as a means of population control. Thanks for watching complete video. If you like, please subscribe and like. Thanks you.